see you in a bit, Baguio.
Wow. It's raining, guys. So sweet, darling. It's raining and nag-bike ta and
advantage ng ulang grabe.
okay, so Spider-Man. Hi guys, we are now at the Mactan International Airport and we are waiting for our departure at around 12 a.m. So,
Hi guys. Hi darling. So hi guys, dito kami sa Manila. So hi guys, it's me, the boy P. Nandito kami sa Victory Liner kasi papunta kami ng Baguio tapos yung magulang ko ang nagmuha ng ticket at nandito kami naghihintay ngayon. So, time check muna tayo guys. It's 3 a.m. ng madaling araw. So, just a quick update ng puno na guys.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, July 31, and we are currently here in Pasay City, and we are bound to Baguio any minutes from now. We traveled last night around 12 a.m. via Cebu Pacific, and naabot mi sa Manila around 2 a.m. So it was just a smooth flight, and it was my first time on a kind of airplane, and honestly I was so excited to see all those city lights. So see you in a bit, Baguio. I'm so excited to explore you.
it's raining, guys. We're here at SM City, Baguio, guys. What can you say about the weather here in Baguio?
It's kinda cold here, and the breeze triggers my nose, and I think it's kinda good. That's it.
Yes, guys, it's very cold here in Baguio, and it just rained this afternoon. But yes, Baguio is so beautiful. It's very chill. Wow, we're currently at Burnham Park, guys. But it's raining, so dili may makaride og bike. Hey guys, so naano mi sa Burnham Park and we are going to ride this bike. And my driver, my handsome driver, let's go!
Cute darling ko
Oh no, it's like a fantasy. It's so sweet, darling. It's raining and nag-bike ta and asan sila?
Ice cream nila.
There's John. He's buying strawberry taho and I think strawberry ice cream. I got here a strawberry taho and let's taste it. It tastes odd. But anyway, I've been eating taho since I was like a kid and yummy jud ang taho, guys. And it's my first time to try strawberry taho and it's special because I taste it diri sa Baguio where ang ilahang main like murag fruits here kay strawberry. So ako sa siyang i-mix and mukaan sa ko. Hi! Wait! Minsan kayo tatay. We're still here at Burnham Park and it's already, I think, 7 p.m. no? Or 8?
I think it's almost 7.
It's almost 8, guys. Gawad gihapon, guys. Pero thank God na aray payong ilahang mga bike. So makagamit ra gihapon mi. And nipalit po ko sa ilang taho and it's good man but it's not my liking. Dili kay ko ganahan strawberry manggod. Pero sige lang, lami siya, lami. It's like there's always first time no in everything and it's my first time tasting the strawberry taho and thank God diri na po siya na tilawan sa Baguio. Anami sa among bike guys. It was really fun. Karon padong na pod mi sa mo take og lunch. Dinner. Padong mi mga og dinner and dili mi kadayon sa katong ilahang food stalls kay gauwan gihapon. Wow. As we are going to buy a cake for Nanay. Kay birthday ni Nanay tomorrow. And mangita may kapalitag cake.
月光洒落老城墙，风铃清香穿过弄堂，旧树叶翻动的声音，温暖了。
May mga keychains.
Yes, dito jacket dyan. Pili lang pa sa kanya na lang 150 po. Ayan.
Magkano po ito?
Mahal pa dito yun, mga jacket.
Wala ko na shake. Wala sa kong cellphone, babe. Utang sa bag. Steak, fried steak, takoyaki. Ano rin shake? Mga milk pillow. Hi guys, I'm karon sa Baguio night market and mga litik goods but wa mi napilian.
Dito yung walang basa.
Bacon with enoki mushroom.
Bagyo kayo sa upod.
Awa dyan?
Kanan? Tan
No. Bacon with enoki. Ikin sila una. Mushroom. Dalawa. Enoki lang. Imuha ng usa. Kita lang.
You stand bright, no need to chase the light. Small flaws don't dim your inner shine. Slow down your pace, you're doing fine. You stand bright, all will be alright. Staring at the screen, lost in others' perfect scene. Burden on your chest.
Cute. Cute ko siya lang.
St. Bernard. Yung mga pine tree, eh.
Pila ni Jay? Kanilang convenience o kani. Hi guys, we're currently here in Mines View pero mutabok na mi. So ko. Halay butang sa imong kuan oh ista.
Butig lang, eh.
Di ay.
Mine.
Sa dulo.
Ano pong ilaw dun sa may dulo?
Wala na rin light. Ang agawa ko wala.
Ito sa nila tong suga. Nay kuan ha?
Ayun mo daw matutay. Tay.
Lepas.
Inside.
Ito nakakatakot po dyan sa loob.
Medyo kasi
Yung dulo walang light. Football.
Taas mo, taas mo ka, darling. Taas mo dito.
Yan nga mo.
Yung like lang, mga cafe-cafe.
Liyo po dila pa kukuha ng last ilang diri garden kini mga kuan.
Siya ay tanging mag...
Lagi nga na nga balay ko.
Ano sila sa balik?
Kanang ato dito na pito.
Pang-duty ni mo lang. Pamisina. Sol. Shol.
Hi guys, today is Sunday and it's nearly 10 a.m. and we are now going to Manila. So we are riding the Victory Liner and I'm with John.
Hello guys.
So padung na mi sa Manila guys and see you there.